Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the Netflix app and Android OS are up to date, because HDR controls depend on the latest playback paths. Once done, open Netflix and sign in. Make sure you're on the profile that will stream. If you're using an Android TV or casting from a phone, connect to the display before changing settings. Now find any HDR title. You need an HDR stream active to reveal the option. This first step gets the app into the correct playback state. Once playback starts on an HDR title, tap the screen to show controls and open the playback settings or gear icon. Netflix reveals variant options there. You'll look for any HDR label or a toggle labeled HDR, Dolby Vision, or HDR10. That's where you switch off within the app. Also open Android display settings. Some devices enforce HDR at the system level, so turn off any system HDR, adaptive brightness, or vivid color profile to prevent automatic. Now disable HDR in Netflix's playback settings, and then disable system-level HDR or advanced color profiles. This ensures both app and device stop signaling HDR to the display. After changing settings, stop and restart the title. You should no longer see HDR or Dolby Vision tags, and the image will use standard dynamic range. If HDR persists, reboot the device, try a different HDMI port or cable, and make sure the TV isn't forcing HDR on by input. That single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.